Hey, it's been a while, but I'm back with the first episode of how to build the Canna Guitar. And the reason for that is I got a client who wants to kind of document a little bit, like make some photos and maybe some videos how I'm building the guitar, because he wants to be, kind of be part of it. And as I like to do here at Canna Guitars, I like to over-deliver a little bit. And I'm gonna make a whole video series how I'm building the guitar. And this is gonna be the first episode. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm planning to do, because it's gonna be a little bit different. And yeah, I also got this new camera, and the plan is to kind of mount it on my chest, and it will basically, I have both hands free, and it will record what I'm doing, and basically it's gonna be point of view guitar building. And yeah, I think it's gonna be much easier for me to record, and yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you the design first, and here we go. Okay, so this is the design of the guitar, and as you can see, it will have a fan fret and a pickguard and a humbucker, or a magnetic pickup on it. And yeah, the fan fret will be perpendicular at the 7th fret, and I already made this pickguard, and I'm gonna fix the pickguard to the neck, and the humbucker will be fixed to the pickguard. And later I'm gonna show you in my CAD modeling program. I've already planned it out, and yeah, it will be much more clear. So basically what the guitar will be looking like is this one I've just finished, and it also got a plum on the fretboard and the bridge and the headplate. And here I've used a pier for the frame, but I'm not going to use pier for the frame on the next guitar. I'm going to also use plum, and I'll have to piece it together, because plum trees are too small apparently, so I have to kind of work around it a little bit. And yeah, so the pickguard will be attached to the neck right here, and as you can see, there's quite some room under here, and I'm gonna use a flat chest pickup from Harry Heusel, which is quite flat. I think it's like 8 millimeters or so. And I also, the plan is that I'll be able to move the humbucker back and forth, and I wanted to achieve that by attaching the humbucker to two rails, and the rail's gonna be underneath the pickguard. And yeah, so you can change the tonality, have like a bridge pickup and a neck pickup, which way you want it. And also it's gonna have a couple more. It's gonna be a lot of pickups in there. I also gonna use this MISI battery-free transducer microphone setup. So it's gonna have like an undersaddle transducer and a microphone, and it's gonna be charged through the output jack. So there's no battery, and that's also, I think it's a really cool design. And yeah, so, and on top of that, I'm gonna put in a K&K Pure Mini why not? And so you're gonna have like under saddle transducer, like a top transducer, and a magnetic pickup all in one. And I think it's gonna be quite interesting. Also, I think the volume and tone control of the MISI I'm gonna attach to the pickguard, so you can kind of change it here, quite accessible. And yeah, so that's the piece for the bridge. And the fretboard is made by someone with a CNC machine. I can't do that on my own. And for the woods, I'm gonna use like a spruce top, of course, and it's gonna be double top as well. And the neck, I'm gonna use this really nicely figured curly maple for the neck. Also, to round it up, there are gonna be golden threads and golden hardware. This pickup will be golden, and also the Shetler tuners will be golden as well. And of course, like the pins and everything. And yeah, so that's the plan. And I also made like an CAD model on my computer, and I'm gonna show you it now, so you see how this sliding mechanism is gonna work, or at least how I'm planning it to work. Let's see.
Okay, so we are here in my CAD modeling program, and as you can see, it's gonna be the fan-flute guitar, and I've already changed the bridge. I'll need to do that because the strings will run in a different angle towards the bridge, so I'll have to work on that. And here is the Jacquard Construction, so this will be the pickguard. I disable that. You'll see this main construction underneath, and basically I'm going to be able to pull it in and out, and there are going to be two holes in the neck, and basically these two bars gonna be holding it, and the pickup itself will be gliding on those two bars, so you'll be able to change the tonality by changing the location. You have like a neck location and a bridge location, and you could even maybe pull it out and replace it, or put in like a second one. And that's the basic idea, and I'll see how that will work out.
Okay, so that's gonna be the design of the guitar, and that's the plan. And one thing I forgot to mention is the Hempstone body, and it's not gonna be like this strawberry red, it's gonna be like fire red and a little bit more texture on it. So this is, as you might know, it's like the part I have to cut off, so it's good to kind of try out the finish and see how it's gonna look like. And I already put like some oil and some little bit of oil paint on there, and yeah, I'm not sure how exactly it's gonna be. If it's gonna be like a little bit lighter or darker, or maybe more. I have to see that it kind of fits to the plum and the whole aesthetic of the guitar. And yeah, so that's basically it, and stay tuned for part 2.